super helper time. Poor Daddy. Let's help him out. Ew, clean the toilet. Ew, gross. Into the garbage. There you go. And now some serious rubbing. You little monsters. Defender of the... And now some serious rubbing. Good. Ugh, that wasn't easy. Refresh. Time to shine things up. Shiny. You're going out. Great job. Coloring fun. What a mess. Hello, little buddy. You little monsters. Nice. Come here, you furry ball. Much better. You could hurt yourself. There you go. Ew, gross. Yuck. Ew. Are you thirsty? Wow, you really are. You're hungry too? You bet. Ha ha ha! Great job. Dinner time. We'll serve the best dinner. Let's put you in order. Ta-da! Which one shall you choose? Perfect. What's a dinner without candles? Nice. Let's get creative. Let's get creative. There you go. Let's place the cutlery. Great. And the last thing. Nice. Haha! Great job! Living room. Let's clean this mess up. Into the garbage. Let's draw something. Into the garbage. Into the garbage. Slam dunk. Hello, little buddy. Let's make you cooler. Cool. Let's make the floor shiny. Good. Let's get this water out. And now let's dry the floor. Great job!